Greetings everyone, greetings wherever you're watching me from. How are you doing? It's a Sunday evening and I want to start making dinner as early as possible. We are winding up on our holidays, Easter Sunday holiday, guys. I'm going to make chapati in a few minutes. So first of all, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Also, give my videos a thumbs up, like the video, go and watch the video, people. Thank you so much. Welcome and let's make chapati. So I'll start by, I normally cook the smaller packet. The smaller packet because we are not many. We are just the three of us. And I add oil, cooking oil. I add cooking oil. I will add just a little bit of sugar. Mama, kindly assist me with the salt. Then I'm waiting for the salt. Remember, this is only flour, cooking oil and sugar. Now I'll add a pinch of salt. Is it really a pinch? I will rub the flour together with the oil and the sugar before I start adding water. I rub until it's well mixed. So after mixing, and make sure you wash your hands before you start touching your flour. After mixing, of course my flour is already mixed with oil, salt and sugar. Now it's time to add water, bits by bits. And you make sure you make your dough to look very soft. Now my flour is ready, my dough ready. I want to cover it for a few minutes. Then I'll start cooking. I'll show you how I'm cooking. Just cover it for a few minutes. So I'm leaving it for a few minutes. See you after 5 minutes or 10. So I'm checking I want to start preparing chapati. My dough is soft, very soft. Naongeza unga na soft hata ikwami mahali. Very soft. Just want to make like 10 chapatis. Ten chapatis, guys.
Sparks on quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different names? Take me back. us knowing what a life at. Funny how we talk like we're fine, but your name still lives in my mind. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars.
Enda one manza. It's okay. Let's go. Let's start now rolling our chapati as our pan is heating. Pause. So I'm going to roll my chapati.
But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different names? Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small and your hands felt warm, take me back to the start, if only for a moment. I've been up since 3, scrolling back where we used to be. Half truths in this late night chat, both of us knowing what a life at. Funny how we talk like we're fine, but your name still lives in my rhyme.
This is the first ones. The first ones.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use. So hold my time, but you weren't really mine, just something to do. Thought I never knew. No surprise, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self-defense. No surprise, but nevertheless, I get lost when I look in your eyes. I just want to be next to your I get lost when I look in your eyes. Deep in Leave now, make your escape. You know the fortune made us so brave. So close, just get away. No surprise, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self-defense. No surprise, but nevertheless, I get lost when I look in your eyes.
The final one. Final touch. Doing my final chapati. And I'm good to go. I am good to go.
Relax on quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different names? Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world fell small, back to the start, if only for a moment. I've been up since 3, scrolling back where we used to be. Half truths in this late night chat, both of us knowing what a lie meant. Funny how we talk like we're fine, but your name still lives in my rhyme. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world fell small and your hands.
So guys, this is my last ones. Thank you for keeping me company always. Thank you so much for my returning subscribers. Thank you so much. And for my new subscribers, thank you. I appreciate you a lot. I want to enjoy my chapati. So here are my chapatis. Thank you guys. Here are my chapatis. I'll take with the lentils. Thank you so much for keeping me company. See you on the next vlog. Bye. See you. Bye.